Hey y'all, welcome back to yet another fun, fast, and informative video. Today we're going to be talking about bathroom mold. This happens to my bathroom where I shower a lot, about every 3 months. I purposefully neglected this for about 4 months. Didn't use the remedy I'm about to show you, just to show you what happens if I don't do this remedy. Now, for years I was using like a non-scratch SOS pad, but getting up there and just rubbing the entire ceiling in the bathroom and having everything fall on your face just wasn't the healthiest option and wasn't the most comfortable and didn't work as effective as the remedy I'm going to be showing you coming up right here. So without further ado, let's get to it. So first thing, pick up some Clorox, make sure it has bleach in it. We're going to be diluting this 50% with water in another spray bottle. All right, so here's my little donor spray bottle. I'm going to fill up half with water. Can be warm or cold, it doesn't really matter. All right, now we're going to take the Clorox and simply pour it in. You can wear a glove if makes you feel better, but we're just going to pour the other 50% Clorox in the bottle. Then I give it a little shake for good measure. Now, because Clorox can be an irritant to your eyes and your lungs by breathing it in, recommend wearing a mask and some goggles. Then simply take your solution, start spraying the ceiling. Doesn't have to be completely saturated, but just make sure you go over everywhere that there's black mold. What I love about this is you're going to be amazed how fast it works. Not only does it remove all the black mold, but it makes your entire ceiling look like it's been repainted almost, or at least it does. Hopefully it shows on video. Now once you're done spraying, you're going to want to probably close the door to your bathroom because it's going to smell like Clorox pretty heavily. But all you're going to have to do is let it sit for about 10 minutes, usually less, but some of the big heavy spots, I usually just 10 minutes for good measure. We're going to head back in 10 minutes, see how it looks. All right, it has been 10 minutes. The moment of truth. Let's see how it looks. Still a little wet in certain areas, but if we get up close, there's 1 or 2 specks. You might have 1 or 2 areas, or 3 or 4, depending on the size of your bathroom, that you might have to hit again or that you missed. Most likely you missed. But all in all, it just completely removes all the mold. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick video on removing bathroom mold quick. Again, wear a mask, wear goggles, maybe wear some gloves, I just didn't have any. Or you can just hold your breath, run in, especially if you have a small bathroom. But this remedy works really, really well. My dad's been doing this since I was a kid. And again, you can get up there and start scrubbing, but then all those little mold spores will fall on your face and it's probably not a good thing. So one other thing, if you have a big bathroom or you saturate it and you actually see Clorox kind of gathering and dripping, throw a fan in there, crank it on high. I'd also recommend doing the fan overnight. Just close the door, have the fan full speed, air that sucker out. So hope you found this video informative. Please hit that like button if you did, and we'll see you in the next video.